Good Trains Mayhem. The weather was changing and also with a warm summer sky to dark clouds. Not to mention the make sure the river was shut down. Ever at the river, not to mention that lies up ahead. Over a green, the fucking for the side, the have be good teamwork to the town. Every day they will pick up a supplies for the make sure the river at the river. So almost every day, they have a good job is on trucks. And to the west of the train to the mix the truck also but to the away. They will put the test however, but they can't handle it and they had to look at the results as well. And they're all now. One morning, Henry. Mark and they will complain that they had a lot of work to do. People will say, hey, we are very hard work, but we're going like a bunch of good trains. And Mark, we can handle. Hey, it's quiet. Yeah, said Barry, not too messy. And we all have drawn the line and have the color ever to mix away, drop your surprise. It get tired, you know. Come on, you see. I know under the way back. You all need to keep it tight. I feel the little railways cannot run. I have surprise. Mark and Henry agree to this. But very far by the mountain with the good. But is something. I got it in a good train. In the dark figure layer. Here I had to put a press. I had to look at my walking there. There he is. There I had the paper. Come on, read it. There is a demo got glue. You can get to work. So here we at the door to find, and then not only the door. He had several trucks. Three for the color and other three for the mixer. We all who the trucks got. Yeah, for the meantime. I can't get wet because the upload. It's a gone man. Damn it, morning. Henry thought it best to be quiet, and he set off and took the mixer away. And off with the color railway. Meanwhile, on the right side, then that way, he better to go train before he had to take the main line. So and Forky, who I for get to work, he saw. But then ready, he better did the set. He then why they don't go it. It probably go to the main line for some reason. Why act the twins? Because that's a hole. We just don't go in. I have to go to take to the main line. I bet the other one to do it. Every day then we set up with the twins. Now what do you think? About how they color ready? Yeah, probably one part. Well, I get the forward they are like 2 months ago. Don't forget over make sort of sad. Only grandpa on it. Meanwhile, Henry was for begin to find them and wait for him. It was Carlo. He apparently returned from the walks. Hello, Henry. Hi, Bill. Henry and play what had been going on for the last few days. Oh, I see. I don't get set at the all little line. I had attended to the mix soda river 2 months ago. And good to be back on dry rails again. And also gonna be the works by Henry, so you can the truck that take you. I don't know. It's Pepsi, Henry. Henry to get a couple trucks and Pepsi before I told it. And Henry could very quick. Meanwhile, Bear was make his way toward Arden. And to pick up his good train. When he got out there, he was surprised to find Danny and Eddie looked to his train. And Danny, why look you on my train? Well, because the color hello him to help our service here on the mountain. Everything actually left. He there for 1 month by the time to go home. Oh, see, but then, okay. So Danny on top of for he bubble up at the now get changed. But then he went to the side very die off. But have you good to water at the door? Say, he was probably a very good thing. Bye, Barry. Hello, Danny. Meanwhile, Henry Diamond are there. Me, he happy. The kids did a struggle and a crack. The hits for everywhere. For him, we to his side was. Draw, damn it. Now I cannot believe that you was up there. Like you, Henry. That way. But how is it? Oh no, I think back of me. I mean, he did, he was. But had that and I had that. I paid the traffic, but I know what to stop. Hello, car. Whoa. Baby, hey, wait. Baby, the train is back. Hey, get it that the bomb of the hand. The brake car was bombed backwards. He will look for the bomb. Baby lucky no easier. He did that when he locked his brakes off. You're right, baby. I think so. As I lock my brakes, I don't feel good now. Soon Duckling survived to help the baby out. While Duckling to the train way with their struggle. And the vocal was the two exits toward the wall. And then Henry started Henry's train away to the deep. And then the two would take it toward the wall. Anyway, they got to the walls. The double hand was the police of the incident. Now we must try to run a good race. We more walk, we more talk, and diesel. To what air awkward predicament. Yes, well, very sorry, sir. I bust a bag, yeah, very lucky breakaway by the top. I see. Well, even though you got there for a good predicament, more work had without the good work. He had to do your work, very for both okay, do Henry work. But so what the point is? Although boys then get help of your jobs and help out Edward there. And I will leave. Can you take me back to Naples, Timothy Boko? Yes, sir. But the double head need to find another reason for the possible now and more work and do bad work and Boko do with Henry work. But that's another story for another time.